you so much for joining me to learn more about Microsoft Learn for Educators. My name is Dr. Rachel Wharton-Morris, and I'm one of the creators behind the Microsoft Learn for Educators program and a clinical assistant professor at the University of Washington. And I'm going to spend some time talking with you about our program. I'm going to explain what led us at Microsoft to create this program, what it is, why you should join, the benefits, and then show you how to join. So again, thank you for joining me to learn more about Microsoft Learn for Educators. Our world is changing at a remarkable speed, and this speed means that it is nearly impossible to predict what skills students entering the workforce will require in the next 5 to 10 years, let alone over the span of their careers. In fact, 65% of today's students will work in jobs that don't yet exist. What is certain, however, is that the list of skills and capabilities employers demand and students need when they enter the workforce is growing, and none more so than technical skills across all jobs and all industries. Given these conditions, today's students want more than a diploma. They want real-world skills that make them employable from the outset. Further, employers are looking for very specific markers of readiness and skill attainment when hiring. More and more, they are seeking out candidates with industry-recognized technical certification, like those from Microsoft. This dynamic presents an incredible opportunity for both students themselves and the academic institutions charged with preparing them. At Microsoft, we're committed to supporting you and empowering your students for future success with free curriculum, training and tools for teaching through our Microsoft Learn for Educators program. Microsoft Learn for Educators is anchored in the belief that higher education institutions and faculty members play a pivotal role in empowering students for future success with in-demand technical skills. We are committed to supporting students through providing their faculty and institutions with free curriculum, training, and tools for teaching students in-demand technical skills to help students attain industry-recognized Microsoft certifications. Through Microsoft Learn for Educators, educators have access to the official Microsoft curriculum, as well as teaching guides for all of our fundamental courses, such as Azure Fundamentals, Azure AI Fundamentals, Security, Compliance, and Identity Fundamentals, Azure Data Fundamentals, and more. You will also have access to our growing catalog of Microsoft Advanced Role-Based Curriculum and Teaching Materials, such as Microsoft Azure Administrator, Designing and Implementing a Microsoft Azure AI Solution, and Microsoft Azure Security Technologies, as well as more. You will also gain access to training and tools to help you deliver cutting-edge technical instruction. If you want to deepen your own technical knowledge, you have access to all of the learning paths on Microsoft Learn, as well as the opportunity to enroll in our Microsoft Virtual Training Days. If you are interested in getting certified so that you have the full experience of what you will be preparing your students for, we will provide you with discounted practice exam keys as well as exam vouchers. If you are already certified or have a deep knowledge of these technologies, then you may want to jump ahead to our virtual educator prep sessions. Hosted by our own Microsoft technical trainers, these are designed to help you deliver the Microsoft curriculum and use our training materials in your classes. Our technical trainers will help you prepare for your first teaching session, show you which labs to use and when, how to introduce topics, and share some additional resources that may help your students to become more successful on their exams. As a part of Microsoft Learn for Educators, you will gain access to a Microsoft Teams-based online network of fellow educators and Microsoft team members. This is your opportunity to keep learning, to share, connect, discover best practices from other faculty members, and find support to make a huge impact in your classes. At the core of Microsoft Learn for Educators, there is this idea of partnership. Microsoft and higher education coming together to partner for the future of education. This is about leveraging your expertise and coupling with that with all of the materials, tools, training, and support from Microsoft Learn for Educators to give your students the technical skills as well as the Microsoft certifications they need to stand out, to be seen, and be successful as they graduate and enter the workforce. Microsoft Azure is used by 95% of Fortune 500 companies and helps the startups of tomorrow scale globally. In our first year alone, Microsoft Learn for Educators partnered with faculty and higher education institutions in over 85 countries, in 12 languages, training and certifying more than 60,000 students. You can apply to join our program and access our resources at aka.ms/MSLE.